Congratulations. You've managed to find that secret message. Do not ignore this video. You are going to become so financially powerful that no one is going to remember who you are until tonight. Just use the audio. It doesn't matter if it stays private. Share this message with at least 3 people. Prosperity grows when it's shared. By doing this, you're not only attracting good luck into your life, but also into the lives of your loved ones. How? Think like a millionaire. Most people don't know this incredibly powerful secret, but be careful. You've got 24 hours before the secret message self-destructs. It's not for everyone. Share this video and comment, affirm desire. Then follow if you want more videos like this. If you ignore this, you'll lose this opportunity forever. Don't miss this opportunity. It only comes once in a lifetime.